What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. This morning, I want to take a look at ADAX and SundaySwap, a little bit of news on the SundaySwap front, and why I think SundaySwap is 100% leading the way in the DEX realm for Cardano, and why ADAX is literally fumbling their quote-unquote bag by not providing updates, not updating the community with anything, giving us nothing physically to go on to know that they are making any sort of progress on their DEX. I'll get into that real quick as well. Just be sure to just drop down and hit the like video if you enjoyed the video, if you are bullish on ADAX, SundaySwap, and the Cardano ecosystem. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. We come out with brand new daily cryptocurrency and altcoin videos every single day right here on the channel. So let's go ahead and get into ADAX, guys. The price has been steady dipping. You look at the last 7 days, steadily declining. You look at the last month, middling, I would say, very middling price. You look at the 3 month, obviously we had the big pump here up to, mid twos, 232. We had the pump up here to like 230 something, right in this area. It's not even showing, but it did get up to like $2 in this range as well. But I want to get into exactly why this price is just stagnant, why this price is just going nothing but down, and why other projects are looking so much more bullish going forward. ADAX, their devs are doing a horrible job of updating the community. They have provided nothing physical for any investor or community member to be like, yes, that is great progress, right? We have seen nothing from this team. Not even a simple progress update like this. They chose to do their AMA in a Telegram chat. It is the easiest cop-out for questions. If you get asked a hard question on camera, you can physically tell when someone's telling the truth or lying, basically, by their confidence in the answer. We got a Telegram chat Ask Me Anything from the ADAX group, and that was their attempt at satisfying investors, making the answers on the audit questions and all that stuff, and saying that the code is complete. Well, we have no proof of that. ADAX has given us nothing to be bullish on. I'm sorry. I am very positive on this project. I still have ADAX in my portfolio. We've gotten in at the 50 cent level. I'm perfectly fine where I am. I'm going to sit on my ADAX bags. $57 million market cap. This project, if it does come into fruition, still does have crazy growth potential. I'm very skeptical right now that the team is going to deliver exactly what they're saying. I believe in some of the team and the team members and the advisors behind the project, like Roger Ver and AOHK. But what have we seen? What has anyone seen that we should believe to be bullish on? I have seen nothing to be bullish on. They did a cop-out AMA. I just wanted to get it out there. I know it's not going to be what ADAX investors want to hear. But as an ADAX investor, these are my frustrations, right? We are just sitting on these bags with no updates, nothing to go off of. We're just praying that these texts that they typed in that AMA are going to come into fruition with the audit and the exchange listing and all this stuff. So I'm sitting on my hands. I haven't sold, but right now, I'm definitely starting to shrug my shoulders and be like, what should I believe, right? What should I go? What about ADAX? What have they shown us in the last month almost that makes us bullish, right? There has been no real updates. They teased a partnership with Meld, a finance protocol for Cardano. Meld declined the partnership publicly and said, we're only talking about it. We have not partnered. So the fact that we're throwing all this out on the table and a lot of it's not even official makes me a little worried. I haven't sold any of my ADAX. Like I said, I got in at that 50 cent level, so my profits are pretty secure at the moment, barring a literal rug pull. I don't think this project's a rug pull, but man, I've gotten a lot of questions on make an ADAX video. We want an update on ADAX. Well, here's your update. They've given us nothing to go off of, and the price is just steady dipping because of it, because the team is incompetent at giving us updates. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there. They literally do not update, and I just don't understand when they see SundaySwap making all this noise, it makes no sense to me. Obviously, a couple weeks ago, they secured 1.3 million led in the cFund round. That is huge. cFund invested 1.3 million into SundaySwap, not into ADAX, not into ERGADEX. They want SundaySwap in these seed fundraising rounds. And if you don't know, this was also joined by Alameda Research and Double Peak Group. Alameda Research, obviously a Sam Bankman-Fried project. So guys, what about anything right there? That alone should make you steer towards SundaySwap, let alone the fact that every single week they provide these updates. And this is all ADAX would have to do to like settle their community. The SundaySwap community understands their team is hard at work because they're getting updates every week, even in the form of text. The AMA in text was absolutely unacceptable, in my opinion, from ADAX. Unprofessional, unacceptable, and it is a cop-out. But SundaySwap posts updates on their website every week. The last 2 weeks, we've been working on internationalization and wallet integrations. Very big things. The infrastructure team continues to work on a tool for analysis on the blockchain. This will allow us to monitor the health of the protocol and understand important statistics like total volume, trade volume locked, etc. The smart contract team is in the final stretch of development, optimization, and refinement of the contracts. Fairly soon, we will lock in a commit hash for the final round of auditing. The research and development team worked on the tool that will be used for calculating ISO payouts. The leadership team also attended the Cardano Summit, the actual Cardano Summit, the one in Wyoming. Charles Hoskinson was pictured with a Sunday logo. Cardano IOHK is behind SundaySwap. I have never heard Charles mention ADAX. I've never heard IOHK bullish on ADAX, right? They are seemingly hand choosing SundaySwap with the cFund round, with the investors involved, and with Charles multiple times has name dropped SundaySwap as the DEX, as well as we saw him literally with the stuffed toy at the Cardano Summit. It means nothing, the picture with the stuffed toy. Anyone could take a picture with him and say, can you hold our project's logo? But he has mentioned SundaySwap as the DEX of choice multiple times. I'm just trying to bring a wake-up call to ADAX investors that are like maximalist mentality, like it's ADAX and ADAX only. I'm not going to get involved in SundaySwap. I'm not going to get involved in that because I know ADAX is going to be the one. That's the wrong mentality. And when the initial stake pool offering opens on SundaySwap, we need to all consider looking into it with our Cardano, staking Cardano to get that free share of initial distribution of SundaySwap. I am just saying, if you don't diversify your bag on these small cap projects that are just developing into these ecosystems, you risk the chance of getting burned. Not every project that we go into here on the channel is going to become a $1 billion project. There will be projects that falter along the way, but we want to make sure we are all lined up properly to get involved in the winners. And I do think SundaySwap will be the winner in this category. I'm just being completely honest. I know it's not the ADAX update people want to hear this morning, but what about ADAX has given anyone the thought that they are about to outrun, outdo, and outperform SundaySwap? I would say nothing. I still have ADAX in my portfolio, in my Cardano ecosystem bag and Cardano DeFi bag, but I am definitely raising my skeptics a little bit. I don't think it's a scam like everyone comes in the chat and says all the time in the Telegram chat. Their Telegram chat is toxic, by the way. You can't even read it. It's either people saying FUD or saying like it's a scam or that SundaySwap is literally better. That's the whole Telegram chat. Or it's people saying, when's Lambo, when Moon, when $100. So it's either Moon Boys or FUD and scam calls. So the Telegram's unreadable. The Reddit is the most inactive Reddit page I've ever seen in my life. And the SundaySwap community is super lively, super alive. Every day there's posts here on the Reddit page. And as you see here, I want to show this, guys. That is the picture I've referred to multiple times. Charles with the Sunday logo. So, guys, in my opinion, if you don't think that SundaySwap is the leader in this category right now, I think you need to do a little more research. And the lack of updates provided by the ADAX team is exactly why this is slipping the way that it is, guys. I'm just going to throw it out there. This is slipping this way all because of the lack of updates, the lack of progress. There has been nothing material of value for any investors or big group or a whale to come in and move the market. There's just nothing going on in this project right now that has actual value. So that's my thought process on ADAX and why SundaySwap is currently front running them 100%. SundaySwap is in the lead in the DEX Cardano ecosystem, and I will be providing updates on both platforms going forward as always. But my investments in ADAX, I'm a little more high alert right now because I am starting to get that feel that the team is just stiff-arming all the hard stuff. They're stiff-arming the hard questions, the hard updates. They don't want to give the community anything, which at the end of the day is only going to hurt them. So I just wanted to get that out there. I will be updating when SundaySwap provides their ISO, and any news on ADAX will be brought to you right here on the channel as soon as I get my hands on it. Just right now, guys, there's not much going on. I wanted to talk about why SundaySwap is definitely in the lead right now, based on their cFund, the backing from IOHK, and more. And just hopefully we get some updates from the ADAX team this week, guys. They said that there would be an update from the devs this week, so let's hope that's the true case. All in all, I'm still very bullish on both projects, both DEX platforms. I do still have a bag of ADAX, and I am looking to get involved in that ISO on SundaySwap. Very bullish on the Cardano ecosystem going forward, and I want to know your thoughts down below on ADAX, SundaySwap, the Cardano ecosystem, your favorite projects in the Cardano ecosystem, and which one of these projects is in the lead right now in the DEX race on Cardano. I think it's SundaySwap, just being completely realistic and telling you what I see. And I will be providing updates on when to get involved in that initial stake pool offering whenever it does get here. I am not an investment advisor, guys, but I am just telling you exactly what I'm seeing, exactly how it is. And based on everything laid out on the table, SundaySwap is in the lead here. And ADAX needs to put out some material updates that can make their investors or just their asset a little more bullish, because right now, as we see, it is nothing but consolidation, nothing but negative on the trends on the charts, and that goes directly correlated with the lack of updates from the team. So be sure to drop down and hit the like button if you enjoyed. Leave me your comments down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay bullish. I'll be back later today with another video. Peace.